What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. Pretty interesting day overall, I would say. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just for entertainment purposes only, so let's be entertained. All right, so, well, we definitely tested the bottom of the box that we kind of thought was going to come into play. So you guys know how we do it here on the channel. If you saw it bust through the bottom of the box that you had drawn up on your charts, then you were probably waiting to see if that 485 trend line was going to come into play or not. You saw it got its strength back in, so maybe you jumped in here and you're going to play and see how far this will run. Just always have a trading plan, whenever you got in. At least you're profitable if you saw it get its strength and bounce off the bottom of that box. Congratulations. Just keep in mind that we're not in the clear yet. So I played with this trend line here on our falling broadening wedge just a little bit. I was seeing if we could call this touch number 3, I suppose. So we started off, we got a bounce point, bounce point, bounce point. I'm going to try to just use that for now. The other one was a little bit broad, so let's see if this one holds true. If it does, and then are we in a falling wedge basically with this green trend line here. I want to see if it's going to be able to break out. That'll obviously be the first test. If not, rejection down and play this falling wedge one more time, which would in fact bring us even closer to that trend line support that we have down here. So it could still happen that way. Just keep in mind, your entry here was good so far, but just watch it, see what happens. From there, obviously, we'll want to work our way back up to take out $6 psychological and then take out that 666 number. We'll draw up some new numbers to the upside once we start actually getting a trend that's going to the upward direction. Right, as of right now, we're still fighting a downward trend. We're just having a little bit of upward momentum here and there in between. So just keep in mind, a broad scheme of things, we are trending downward, so we're still looking at account protection until everything turns around. The RSI was warming up pretty nice today, actually. With as low a volume as we had, overall it looked like some pretty nice action going on with the RSI. Still holding above 50 on the shorter time frames. How we looking on the longer? So slowly turning. I don't know. Watch it on those short ones because it could fake us out here pretty quick, I think. But we're just going to watch and see how this respects. Trend line, obviously, get that break. See if it can get out of the box. That would be a good range, 588, and then take out the $6 and then, the 666 to the upside. Downside, just watch your falling direction that we have here in the trend line down below. That trend line is going to get just a little bit higher and higher every day, but you're still in like the 486, 88 range as of right now. It's not going to change drastically because it's not coming up too hard on us, but at the same time, just kind of watch it. Your bounce point somewhere was around 485, I think, today, so might be a couple pennies higher tomorrow. We'll watch and see how that plays out. What's going on with the Ortex? So I don't think we got any update today because today was not technically a settlement date. So this is all, it is what it is as far as I can tell. I'll hit the refresh. Did we get anything? No, I don't see anything updating on Ortex, so I think because it wasn't a settlement day, then we probably didn't get any kind of reporting there, maybe, if I'm correct in that thinking. But just keep in mind what we got going on, draw them up. You guys know how we do it. You know the game plans. If you see it fall through your support, you wait for your next one, watch for the strength to come back in, then that's where you're probably thinking that, okay, I got a chance that I could possibly get out of here green if need be. Alright guys, I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for coming back. I hope you had a good day, and the markets look like a pretty good day overall. I did not do anything at all today, so I just I sat here. I didn't even watch the markets actually until about the last 15 minutes. I'd pop in here or there throughout the day and just see how the overall markets were responding. Looked a little ugly, looked interesting, and I'm kind of glad I wasn't trying to play that whipsaw. So hope you guys did good if you were out there participating. I will catch you in the next one. As always, stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.